Dun, 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 dun.
Wait. I got chills, y'all. Wait.
This motherfucker is nocturnal. So you better not let this bird fly. Wait, Ma, do you got the sheep? This nigga is big. The closer you get, the bigger he get, right? Look like an eagle. Ma, you sure you got this? Don't hit it. No.
Don't hit it. Don't hit it.
Capture it.
Don't hit it. Don't hit
You
it.
got it?
Don't hit it.
Don't want the sheep?
Don't hit it because then it's gonna start flying. I think Ma could get it.
Ma, do you got it? Ready?
Go in the living room. Okay.
My pocket's stuck.
Wait, don't hit it. Maybe Mom could catch it. Kwanzaa left you in there. It flew?
It was about to. It started flexing. Ma, I got you back. No.
Mom, how do you feel that she left you? Wait. Don't hit it, because maybe Mom could catch it without hitting it.
You didn't even close her laptop.
I had to run out the room ASAP once I noticed it. It moved. Ooh, it shook. Ooh, I'm scared. Wait.
Move it. Oh, he see me.
Put it under the bed.
Ma, he see me. Mom.
Just leave it. It's closed. It's closed. Just leave it.
It's looking at us. It's looking at us.
Why is its face so long? That means its beak is sharp and long too, right?
You know the beak is from the beak is on his chest. You don't see that? Wait, let's think. Maybe Ma could catch it without you hitting it, because if you hit it, it's gonna start flying crazy.
It need a knife. It need a knife.
It need a gun.
No, it needs a knife.
Why a knife? Ooh.
I'ma chop it.
Oh my God! I see his eyeball. Fuck. Where is it?
Every time I step to this square, his feathers move.
I see its eye. It's watching you. It's watching you. Fucking it ain't even move. What is your problem?
Oh. Kwanzaa, you gonna make it fly.
She is. That's why I'm saying don't. What's it called? Oh. It's watching you. What kind of pigeon is that? I never seen a pigeon like.
It's a Doberman Pinscher pigeon.
It is, Mom? What type of pigeon is that?
But I don't know, half dog, half pigeon.
I said go somewhere. Y'all don't listen. They said They're in the room after you. Oh shit! Wait. Close that door. That's why you're supposed to be down there.
Okay.
So if it flies out, y'all could open the hallway thingy thing.
Wow, this room's like heavy from a distance.
You trying to hit it?
I don't know what I was trying to do. You ain't even up there.
Right? Have that door down there open, ready. Fuck.
You gotta trap it.
How you turn your camera this way?